This is our rigidity modulus experiment. This is our working formula, eta equals to 8 pi IL by T square r to the 4. So just we have to measure I, L, T and R. What is I? I is the moment of inertia of the cylinder. So we know that this is m r square by 2. So just find the value of R using slide calipers like this, or you can use the at bottom. So take the value of this point and this should be our R. So using this should be our diameter. So divided by 2 is R. So I should be half m r square. Okay. Again there will be a length. So just take this length from this point to this point using a meter scale. Very simple. R square. What is R square? R square is that R means the smaller means the radius of this wire. So just use a screw guide like this. So in our equation, this is one main scale reading means 1 millimeter and 90 vernier scale reading, that is 90 into 0.01 millimeter, or 0.1 centimeter plus 90 into 0.001 centimeter. So in our equation we know that R has a power 4. So obviously if we make a error in measurement R x, then total error should be 4x. So be careful and take the reading several times, that is 10 times or 8 times at least. And final part is that T means the time period. So just oscillate or reposition this cylinder from the rest position about 60 degree or less than 60 degree, then release this. So after a certain time or few seconds, this pendulum or this cylinder comes to main position. This is our time period. So just count for 20 full oscillation means this suppose this is the initial position. So after removing this, we get this comes to its original position. This is one oscillation. Again it comes and we get another position. So this is the third oscillation. So take 20 oscillation like this. You can see. We start this. Take this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, like this. So take total 20 oscillation and count the total time using a stopwatch or using a smartphone to stopwatch something. So and this is the total time. Suppose total time equals to 20 seconds and our total oscillation equals to 20. So obviously time period equals to 20 by 20, 1 second. So just put this value and you get eta or rigidity modulus.